have already covered SAP S/4HANA in previous video. Moving further, let us understand in detail how the implementation of SAP takes place. Are you aware of SAP methodology and its role in implementation process? If not, then this video we will dive into the step-by-step process of SAP implementation. Hello everyone, I am Sumit from Team Webtel. In today's video, let's understand what is the SAP implementation process and SAP methodology. Further, we'll understand the role of SAP methodology in successful SAP implementation. So stay tuned, and before starting this video, I request you subscribe our YouTube channel Webtel Electrosoft to get regular compliance updates. Let's start with explanation of SAP.
SAP implementation process and phases of SAP methodology. SAP denotes accelerated SAP. What is SAP methodology? SAP is method by which system software of SAP is implemented over the business server. The proper implementation of SAP methodology not only ensures workflow management and evaluation but also manages the associated risk with it. These are the 5 phases of SAP methodology. First one is project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final preparation and go live and support. In first phase, project preparation, setting up an efficient roadmap as per the business requirements and functionalities, defining project goals and objectives, establishing the scope of implementation, planning the project sequence, budget plan and implementation schedule, preparing the project organization and delegating resources. In this phase of business blueprint, following the project preparation, the resources are allocated on the basis of rules and requirements for new system. The integration technicalities, interface and process maps are established. Henceforth, the performance of gap analysis implies the study and analysis of differences between two information systems or applications to determine the process of migrating to the new state. Once the differences have been identified, studied and evaluated, a business blueprint is laid down. This business blueprint includes the required business data aligned with various business goals and further objectives to be established. A framework is curated in accordance with the various objectives of business and current data analysis. In realization phase, configuring the SAP implementation rules on basis of results derived from blueprints and business goals. The functional consultants carry out the configuration steps in this stage, and processing is done in this step of SAP implementation process. Following by configuration, various testing procedures are carried out for smooth functioning of business. In final preparation phase, this includes testing, training, system management and final cutovers to resolve any issues that are needed to be resolved. It is important to ensure that all the requirements of businesses are being fulfilled in the stage of SAP implementation. Master data is uploaded to new system using LSMW, BADI and BAPI. Then the client start using the SAP system. End user training is given to the people working at client's end. Various testing procedures are undergone in this stage, such as workload testing, integration testing and functional testing. It is important to perform maintenance checks in this stage of SAP implementation process for optimal performance. Last one is go live and support. SAP implementation process is going live with the new system and making use of this newly implemented SAP system for business processes. It ensures that the system is running smoothly. Various service and support systems are provided to fix any damages and facilitate a smooth workflow. How to find the best SAP MSP? How to enjoy seamless SAP implementation with Webtel? Webtel Products offers a comprehensive range of solutions designed to facilitate seamless implementation for businesses of all sizes. With Webtel Products, you can experience a hassle-free implementation journey that empowers your organization to thrive in today's competitive landscape.
I hope you understood that how the implementation process takes place by taking blueprints of organizational work structure. Share this video with your business partner, friends for better understanding. I am sharing the link to our previous video related to SAP. Also find in description the link in SAP implementation process blog for better understanding. If you found this video helpful, then visit the link mentioned in the description below and let us know in comment section. Also, you can comment if you have any doubts. Give a thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel. Next video, we will come up with another interesting video to improve compliance for you. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned, and better compliance here.